Hi Blush Babes, welcome to the DIY Blush It Yourself series. Today the gorgeous Tess is going to show you how to do your brows like a pro. The product used in this tutorial is the TrueBrow Collection in SO2, consisting of Element, True Colour and the TrueBrow Precision Angled Brush. Begin by brushing through your brows to ensure no build-up of makeup prior to application. With the straight end of the brush, apply a small amount of the Element in fine strokes, ensuring the whole brow is being covered from inner to outer corner. With the bent end of the Precision brush, now apply True Colour with a soft feathery motion, creating definition and enhancing any areas of the brow as required. Finally, brush through again only if you are wanting to soften the application. Voila! And there you have it, TrueBrow brows like a pro.